In this video, we are going to learn trigonometric limits. Limit x tends to 0 sin x upon x is equal to 1, and limit x tends to 0 x upon sin x is also equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0 tan x by x is equal to 1, and limit x tends to 0 x by tan x is also equal to 1. Another one is limit x tends to 0 sin x degree by x is equal to pi by 180. Limit x tends to 0 cos x is 1. Limit x tends to infinity sin x upon x is equal to 0, and limit x tends to infinity cos x upon x is equal to 0. Here important thing is that in second and fifth only limit is different, so that value is also different. X tends to integers, x is equal to does not exist.